So what's next for former President Donald Trump now that he's been indicted by a New York grand jury on charges related to hush money payments during the 2016 presidential election? This is the first time in American history a former president has been indicted. Fox 5 anchor Russ Spencer joins us from the live desk, and we know now, Russ, the former president is expected to be arraigned next Tuesday.
That's exactly right, Christine. Donald Trump in Florida now, but is expected to fly to New York next week to face that judge next Tuesday afternoon. And he will be treated, we're told, like any other defendant. While the exact charges remain under seal, the investigation centered around hush money payments made to porn star Stormy Daniels ahead of the 2016 election. While the former president and his lawyers prepare for his defense, the prosecutor defended the grand jury investigation that propelled him toward trial. Congressional Republicans continue to paint it all as politically motivated, but Manhattan DA Alvin Bragg told 3 Republican House committee chairs that their claims were, quote, misleading and meritless. Hours after the announcement of Mr. Trump's indictment, supporters gathered outside his Mar-a-Lago estate, and the former president's attorney says he is ready to fight.
Everything they've done here is to gain attention. We now heard 34 counts. I guarantee you it's going to be 34 counts when we find out next week.
Well, Democrats responded to the indictment, saying that we should let an impartial jury, not politics, determine the former president's fate.
Trust in the process. This is one more step in the legal process. Donald Trump is going to have plenty of opportunities to make his case in open court, and the prosecution will have the same opportunity. Let the process go forward.
When the former president arrives in New York for his arraignment, the Secret Service will escort him as he's fingerprinted and photographed for a mugshot. He will then appear before a judge and is expected to plead not guilty, of course, before being released on his own recognizance. Manhattan criminal cases typically take more than a year to go to trial. By that time, we'll be in the middle of the presidential campaign year. Christine, NYPD officers are being ordered to be dressed in full uniform and ready to deploy as soon as they are called.
Yeah, I imagine it's going to be quite a circus out there next Tuesday when that all goes down. Thanks so much, Russ.